Okay, welcome to lesson 85, multiply and divide in scientific notation. So let's get into it. Here's our objective, and you can always pause this video and read through the next couple of slides until we get to our example. Okay, now this is where you need a calculator, and if you do not have a TI-84 or some other type of scientific calculator, if you have a phone and you pull up your calculator on your phone and turn it to the side, you will get access to a scientific calculator. Now, the buttons I want you to pay attention to are the buttons that say double E. So on the TI-84, the EE is over the comma. So you're going to have to hit the blue button that says second and then hit the comma and you'll see EE. So I'm going to type it out how you are going to write it in your calculator. You're going to do 5.8, hit second comma, second, it's a blue button at the top left, hit the comma, which is over top the 7 button, and then 5. And you can put all of this in parentheses, and the parentheses are over the 8 and 9. And then you're going to do 4.5 second, comma, 5, and close the parentheses. And then go ahead and hit the enter button. And this is how you're going to type it in. And when you do that, you get a number that says 2.61 E, a single E, which means times 10 to the 11th power. So on a TI, at least, it will give you, I believe, up to 7 or 8 numbers, and then it will put the exponents in after that point. So we're going to leave our answers as an exponent. So if they come out as a standard number, we're going to convert them back into scientific notation. So let's look at our second example. Divide 2.61 times 10 to the 11th by 510,000. So I'm just going to show you how to type this in. So 2.61 second, comma, and these instructions are only for a TI-84. I believe if you use your calculator, you won't need that because there's a button on your calculator. So on your calculator, I have an Apple, so I have an iPhone that says double E. And if I turn my phone on, that E is to the left of the number 1 button. On the Apple, it should be to the left of the number 1 button. And then you're going to hit divide, and it's going to give you a backslash. And then you can just go ahead and type in 510,000. Okay, the answer we're going to get is going to be approximately 511,764. And we're not going to worry about anything after the decimal. We're going to round to the nearest whole number. And that's 565, 765. And now let's convert this back into scientific notation. We're going to take 5.11. You know what? I'm going to round this off to 3 digits. Let's do that. Let's round this off to 3 digits. Let's round this off to 512 times 10 to the 5th power. And those are 2 examples for today. I will meet you at the end of this video for the recap. Thank you for watching. Okay, again, 2.3 second, comma, 4, and you can use the parentheses, that'll probably be better, 3.1 second, and you can put all of this in the calculator in one step. The calculator can do it all. That's not a J, that's actually a comma. And we get 7.13 E, which means times 10 to the 13th power. Okay, again. 4.83 second, comma, 8 divided by 9.3 second, comma, 7 will give us a bunch of numbers. 5.193548387. Now, since you're in high school, we're going to round to the thousandth place. That means 3 digits behind the decimal if they don't tell us. And since 5 is between 1 and 9, there's no reason to put this in scientific notation because it just wouldn't make any sense. So, thank you for watching this video. That was multiplying and dividing in scientific notation. I know it's really short, but when it comes to scientific notation, it comes down to using the calculator and putting the buttons in right, pushing the buttons or entering the numbers in the right order and correctly. And there's just not much to teach you there. So, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep posted. Many more videos to come.